I am so excited, guys, to show you the National Tea Day Tea Discovery Festivities Edition hamper, the On-The-Go edition. Our On-The-Go hamper has been designed for those of you who really love tea and want it on the go and everywhere you go. I'm so excited to have a look at this. So, look at this amazing piece of teaware. So this is by T-Spec and it's the Lazy Go Travel Tea Tumbler. And I'm going to quickly show you this. So it comes in an outer case, which is beautiful. So it's a temperature control outer case, and whether you've got your beverage hot or cold, it will keep the temperature for up to 2 hours. And here we go, guys, the T-Spec Lazy Go Tumbler. So this is the tumbler. Now, it's a tea maker, an on-the-go tea maker. So basically, what you do is you unscrew the lid. In here, you would place your tea. And then over here, you've got the filter. And you just screw this on very tightly. So your leaves sit in there. And in this piece here, you would put your hot water. Put your tea to your hot water, never the other way around. And basically what you do is you turn it upside down and the water infuses the tea. When it's ready to drink, you turn it back around. But we'll show you more in the links below. How beautiful is that? And now to the teas, guys. So look at this beautiful caddy by the Amber Rose Tea Company. Very luxurious premium brand. How cute is that gemstone lid? So we're going to show you the tea. This tea is called Tea Trail and it's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see that, but it's laden with rose. So that's the Amber Rose Tea Company Tea Trail tea that you get in the On-The-Go hamper. So of course we couldn't give you a Christmas hamper without the Christmas tea blend. So we're going to show you how this looks inside, but this is by the Tea Makers of London, an absolutely delicious, exquisite blend. Looks like Christmas in a cup and smells like Christmas in a cup as well. Wow, incredible. And finally, we have the beautiful Nazani tea roasted spring oat tea. So these oats are actually grown 2,000 meters above sea level. So the altitude that they're grown in allows them to be as fresh and as pure as nature intended. So these are the roasted spring oats. Absolutely delicious. They've got a nutty, caramelly and creamy taste profile. So there you go, guys, the Christmas On-The-Go hamper by National Tea Day.